Nimisha Priya, a nurse from Kerala, is on death row in Yemen. She was convicted of murdering a Yemeni national, but her supporters are still fighting to save her life by raising what's known as blood money. What is blood money? How can paying money possibly stop an execution? Let's break it down. Blood money, or Diya, comes from Islamic Sharia law. It allows the victim's family to pardon a killer in exchange for monetary compensation. It's not meant to price human life, but to ease the family's loss and end cycles of revenge. Typically, Diya is used for unintentional killing or culpable homicide. But in some cases of murder, if the family chooses forgiveness over retribution, they can accept blood money. Many Islamic countries have formal legal systems for this. Even if the family accepts Diya, the state can still impose other punishments. Yemen, where Nimisha is jailed, follows Sharia principles. The victim's family and the convicted person can negotiate the amount directly, often with courts overseeing the deal to ensure fairness. That's why Nimisha's supporters have spent years raising funds, hoping the victim's family will accept the payment and grant her a pardon. But negotiations have faced repeated delays. Even after paying her lawyer in full to continue talks, there's no confirmation yet of a deal. So, how about India? Do we have a provision like blood money? Well, the answer is no. Here, you can't pay the victim's family to avoid a death sentence for murder. The closest equivalent is plea bargaining, but only for crimes with sentences under 7 years. Murder, rape, or crimes against women and children are excluded. However, the idea of paying compensation to end blood feuds is ancient and not unique to Islamic law. Early medieval Germany had Wergild and Wales had Galanas, while ancient Ireland's Eriac set a price based on the crime's severity. These systems aim to deliver justice without endless revenge. Nimisha Priya's supporters aren't the first to try this. In 2019, Arjun and Attimuthu from Tamil Nadu avoided execution in Kuwait after paying 30 lakh rupees in blood money. Abdul Rahim was pardoned in Saudi Arabia after paying around 34 crore rupees, though he remained imprisoned. In 2017, 10 Indians on death row in the UAE were spared after paying 200,000 dirhams. Another 17 Indians were pardoned after paying nearly 4 crore rupees. But for Nimisha Priya, time is running out. With India lacking formal diplomatic ties with the Houthis controlling Yemen's capital, the government's options are limited. Her story shines a harsh light on the risks faced by migrant workers and the complex moral questions around blood money. So, what do you think about this system? Should paying blood money be allowed in murder cases? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more such explainers. That's it for today's video. If you have any suggestions or feedback, write to us at videos@thehindu.co.in. Thanks for watching.